Yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Zara and I'm 7 years old, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a manicure. And I have my model here, Samke, and she is a beauty therapist, so now I'm going to show you. So first you're going to sanitize their hands. You're going to just spray it onto their hands. And then what you're going to use is you're going to use this scrubber to scrub their nails. And first you have to sanitize it. Now you're going to shine their nail.
Eh.
Okay, so next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and then you're gonna buff their hands. And then you're gonna take your nail filer here. And you're gonna sanitize these because it has so many. You don't want to have gel on the nails. Now you're gonna file their nails. Just gonna keep on buffing and keep on filing when you're done. And then when you're done filing, and then you're gonna take your buffer here to buff their nails. Then you're gonna sanitize it because you don't want to take those hands. Now you're gonna buff their nails, and these small soft parts where you go on the sides. So you can't use this side because it's not soft enough, so you can't file the sides. And then when you're done buffing, again you're gonna take this here and buff their nails because they have all this dust on it. And that, and then you're gonna take the sanitizer and you're gonna spray it a little bit. Again, and then next you're gonna massage their hands. While you're doing this, you must massage their fingers too. Okay, so that's how you do the manicure.